Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to discuss about the speed of light and refraction. First one, describe the Fizeau's method to determine speed of light. Already you know, light travel with highest speed in the air or vacuum. The speed of light in air or vacuum is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. It is a very high value. After several attempts, scientists determined the speed of light. The earliest attempt was made by a French scientist Fizeau, so who found the speed of light in the first Fizeau. This gave the base of the other scientists to determine the speed of light. First, construction of this Fizeau's experiment. This experiment used to find the speed of light in air. Here it consists a source of light, one glass plate, another one mirror, tooth wheel. So this tooth wheel having n number of tooth, capital N number of tooth and also capital N slot. So the gap between the two teeth, it is slot. So it consists N tooth and N slot. Here a light from this source first allowed to fall on the partially silvered glass plate. This is a partially silvered glass plate. It produces the reflection and also the refraction. Because this is partially silvered glass plate, it produces the reflection and also the refraction. Because this is partially silvered glass plate, it is making an angle 45 degree to the vertical. So what is the glancing angle of this glass? Glancing angle means the angle between the incident ray and the glass plate. Okay. Or the object is known as glancing angle. It will be 45 degree. After reflection, this light allowed to pass through the rotating tooth wheel. This is tooth wheel. It consists N teeth and N cuts. The speed of rotation of the wheel, it is varied through an external mechanism. So it is this tooth wheel made to rotate by electric motor. This was not given in the diagram. Okay. So it is a rotatable tooth wheel. Next, the light passed through after passing through this tooth wheel, it fall on the mirror. So light passing through one cut in the wheel. Okay. In the wheel. Okay. One cut in the wheel. So inside it passed through the slot. Okay, that is a cut. One cut in the wheel and get reflected by a mirror M. It is kept at a long distance. It is about 8 kilometer. What is the distance between the tooth wheel and the mirror? It is about 8 kilometer. After that, it reflected. So the mirror reflected the ray. And then it pass through the tooth wheel. So if the tooth wheel was not rotating, what will happen? The reflected light from the mirror would again pass through the same cut and reach the observer through the glass plate. This partially glass plate. Okay. So what is the construction? Light from the source S was first allowed to fall on the partially silvered glass plate. It is kept at an angle 45 degree to the vertical and then light allowed to pass through the rotating tooth wheel with this tooth wheel having N cut and N teeth. The speed of rotation of the wheel could be varied through an external mechanism used to any external motor. And the light then passed through the wheel. After passing through the wheel, it fall on the mirror. Afterwards, the light reflect on the mirror and then it pass through the same cut. If the tooth wheel is in the rest position. Suppose it is rotated. You have to take the angular speed of rotation of the tooth reveal is omega. What is the angular speed? Omega. It is increased until the light passing through the one cut would completely be blocked by the adjacent tooth. So that angular speed is omega. So when you have to take the angular speed omega, it is the rotation of this tooth reveal increased until எது வரைக்கும் இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணும், லைட் ஒரு கட் வழியா பாஸ் பண்ணி அதுக்கு பக்கத்துல இருக்கிற அந்த கட்ல என்ன பண்ணும், கம்ப்ளீட்டா பிளாக் பண்ற வரைக்கும் அந்த டூத்ல வந்து கம்ப்ளீட்டா என்ன பண்ணும், பிளாக் பண்ணும். சோ ஒரு கட் வழியா போயிட்டு அந்த டூத்ல பக்கத்துல இருக்க டூத்ல என்ன பண்ணும், பிளாக் பண்ணும். அப்படி பிளாக் பண்றதான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம், பிளாக் பண்ணிருச்சுன்னா அந்த ஸ்பீடு தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம், ஆங்குலர் ஸ்பீட் ஒமேகா. So what is the total distance traveled by the light from the tooth reveal to the mirror? First from wheel to mirror D and then mirror to after reflection it travels along mirror to tooth reveal. So it is D. Total distance D plus D is 2D. And time taken you have to take, time taken is T. Then how will you find the speed of light in air? What is speed of light? It is the rate of change of distance. So you have to take the total distance 2D and time taken T. So V is equal to what? 2D by T. But the angular speed, what is angular speed? It is the rate of change of angular distance. Angular distance theta by time taken T. You have to find the value of theta. Theta is the angle between the tooth and the slot. Okay. So this theta is the angle between the tooth and the slot. Here theta is equal to, this is a circular plate. The angle theta is equal to, for one complete circle the angle is 2 pi or 360 degree. What is the total angle of this tooth reveal? 2 pi. And divided by number of teeth plus number of cuts. Number of teeth is capital N, number of cut also capital N, number of cut also capital N. So N plus N, 2N. So 2 pi by 2N. Theta is equal to 2 pi by 2N. 2 cancel, then pi by N. So you have to substitute this theta equal to pi by N in this equation. Then omega is equal to what? Angular speed equal to pi by N into T. So pi by NT. Then how will you find T? T is equal to, you have to take this omega in the denominator. So pi by N omega. Okay, T is equal to what? Pi by N omega. Next you have to substitute this T, pi by N omega in this equation. So V is equal to what? 2D by T. T is equal to pi by N omega. So 2D N omega divided by pi. You know all the values. In this experiment, D, number of cut and number of the slot and the tooth, And capital N omegas, that is the angular speed of this tooth reveal. Okay. So, all the values. Substitute all the values. He substituted all the values. Fizeau substituted all the values. Finally, he got the answer 2.99792 into 10 power 8. This is approximately equal to what? 3. So what is the speed of light? 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Is it clear? Okay, children.